Hey guys, I'm back with another review. Today we got the Dairy Queen's limited edition Pumpkin Pie Blizzard. Check it out, we got the vanilla soft serve, I think it said on the website, and with pumpkin pie chunks, pumpkin pie sauce with whipped cream on the top with cinnamon. This looks delicious, and I can't wait to start eating this. But anyway, so how has your day been? Comment down below how your day has been. My day is going pretty well so far. It's been chilly because, it's the season. It's fall, with all the falling leaves and the chilly weather. So yeah, my day's going pretty well. And, without further ado, I shall eat this. Um, what's your guys' favorite Dairy Queen ice cream flavor? I don't know, but this might be my new favorite. So, gotta lick all the whipped cream off of the spoon. Holy cow, that's good. I had some ice cream on it. So, it actually does taste like pumpkin pie. I was not expecting that. This tastes like pumpkin pie. And, you can definitely taste the cinnamon. Actually, I'm pretty sure that's not even cinnamon. No, there was no cinnamon taste. What was I talking about? That's the crust. That's like powdered crust. It's delicious, actually. It tastes like pumpkin pie. I was not expecting that. Here's a good rounded spoonful. You can see that? This looks amazing, and it tastes amazing as well. Oh my goodness. I think this might be my new favorite Dairy Queen ice cream flavor. It has all the flavor that you'd expect in a pumpkin pie, except, well, colder. It has that filling taste with the crust. The powdered crust makes it taste and all the whipped cream. Yeah. Ooh, here's a chunk of the pumpkin pie. I'm gonna eat this. Oh my goodness, I was not expecting this. When I came into this, I was expecting like a vanilla with maybe some whipped cream and some cinnamon. And the pumpkin pie chunks, yeah, but I wasn't expecting there to be that many. No, this tastes exactly like pumpkin pie. Wow, this is delicious. Let's just taste the whipped cream now. Yeah, it wasn't that special. I mean, it's whipped cream. But, man, this is good. Comment down below if you're gonna try this out. I highly recommend. This is delicious. But yeah. And thanks for watching. I hope you found this review useful. And I will see you in tomorrow's video. Or maybe just the next video. If you enjoyed, please subscribe. If you like my content, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please like and share with family members or friends or all that stuff. That would help out a lot. Thank you, and goodbye.